It's her!
Whatever happens, we can't let her have Denji! If it comes down to it, I'll crash the car into that bitch! The hell is going on? Stop it, Denji! You haven't had enough blood yet!
Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me! Like staying alive for Miss Makima!
Makima. Come closer, Denji. I'm going to show you the many ways we can fight.
Reze, I'm taking you in! Oh, you better teach me everything!
Your own potential. Oh, don't just swing your chainsaws around and hope for the best. Boom. Clever boy. You wrapped your engines back there.